everybody, MacGyver Sharon. I got a week off and then another 3 weeks of the diet. So you know what we're gonna have? You know what we're gonna try? We're gonna experiment. We're gonna have French fries, and we're gonna cook them in. Get my prop here. The RoadPro, and we're gonna cook it on that Goal Zero. Right back there, silly Goal Zero. Nice golden French fries sure sound good. Even bought some organic ketchup. And we're gonna have them here, hopefully by campfire. At camp. It's my garage tent. So I got an eco log, gonna burn a fire, and hopefully eat some French fries. Yum. So we'll see how they turn out. Haven't seen any tarantulas yet. Haven't seen any snakes. I did last weekend. I gotta tell you about that. But next time. Alright, gonna put these fries on, see how they work. See you in a bit. Okay, I got parchment paper down. I got French fries stuffed in there, as many touching the bottom as possible, because I think that's what makes the golden brown side. Then I'm going to fold over this parchment paper. I'm going to close the RoadPro. I'm going to plug it into that silly Goal Zero up there. And then we'll see how long it takes. Food porn. Food porn. Food porn. Alright, let's get it on. Alright, let's see what we got. It's been about an hour. Ooh, steam. Can you hear them? Yeah, there's some golden brown there. Alright, I'm going to unplug it, let them sit. Stiffen up with all that grease. I made some Beyond Meat burgers, one for today and one for tomorrow. And there's some organic ketchup that I have to reach. But first we'll let these stiffen up and cool down. So there you have it. French fries in the RoadPro. Takes about an hour. They were not frozen, they were in my fridge for a day, so. But they weren't soggy. French fries. Steamy, hot. Okay. Alright then, I'm gonna eat my French fries by the fire. Peace, love, and understanding, everybody. Y'all have a great rest of your weekend. Take care.